Okay, so I'm now planning to wash my hair with yet another Japanese hair care brand. This is easy for me because I too live in Japan, and I suspect, as usual, I'm going to be more than satisfied with this product. There are a few, if any, hair and body care products here that I've not liked. This is the Ichikami likely meaning one and hair, though I'm not sure about the nuance of that. But it's the Ichikami Smooth and Sleek Shampoo and Conditioner set by Crazy or Crassier. I'm not sure which pronunciation to use there. It's a Japanese drugstore staple, and it's packed with botanical extracts, cherry blossom leaf, camellia oil, rice bran, the kind of ingredient list that should make you feel like your hair is at a spa and not a shower. Now, lucky me, I was able to get these 2 eco-friendly refill packs, and depending on what Amazon store you're currently pursuing on this video, you might just have the original bottle. I have some empty bottles here to use, so I plan to fill these up, and I'll get back to you later with my thoughts after having used it. I am armed and ready with the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm not going to put any labels on this, so you can see that the conditioner is a slightly more yellowy, curd-like thing. Shampoo is more silky looking. I do know that this shampoo is sulfate-free, so it should clean without that squeaky, stripped feeling. If this is an import product for you, your instructions and packaging might also be in Japanese. So if you like knowing exactly what you're putting on your head, get ready to pull out Google Translate on your phone. And they smell absolutely wonderful, as I had expected. The scent is pretty and subtle. It's cherry blossom meets apricot. I hope this lingers in the shower as well, so I'll be able to smell my own hair repeatedly. Okay, so I'm back. Everything is going swimmingly with these products. I especially am enjoying the fragrance of the shampoo, which does linger a bit. Yay! I also like that the conditioner is rich, but doesn't weigh down my super fine hair. It's just smooth. My hair's manageable, cooperative. More than I can say for other things in my life. Overall, beautiful results and a shower that smells like a Tokyo park in spring. I'm blessed with a variety of products in Japan that I'll continue to explore, but these are now on my repeat buy list. Recommend.